Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I'd Known video. This one's about a water pressure regulator. Customer bought an RV, took it out, was camping in a older campground. Unfortunately hooked up to the water supply, and they had a big surge of water pressure, blew their pipes apart. Called us, upset. We were able to take care of it for them, but then we included a water pressure regulator when they left, and now we put one in every single starter kit that goes into every single unit that we sell. Why? Because you have to have a water pressure regulator. If you don't, then you run the risk of your lines literally being blown apart and you get water everywhere. It's just a mess, an absolute mess. Very expensive to repair and fix everything up. So if you don't have a water pressure regulator, call us at 877-877-4494. We can get you one, get it shipped right out to you, or stop by and see us. We now have stores in Honey Grove, Texas, Lakeview, Ohio, Mansfield, Ohio, and Delaware, Ohio. We'd be glad to get you one at any of those stores. And again, you can go online at rvwholesalers.com and purchase one as well. Make sure you continue to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page.